So I need to replicate this graph on Desmos, then answer the questions. Let go. I wonder if I can copy and paste this. Where is my... Here it is. Travel model, AQR 5.10, formerly 5.6. Model traveling. Travel model. I forget what we called it. Modeling travel. So there's a story behind this, which I will read in a moment, and add that note, and add another note. See if I can paste this. Guess not. Okay, so I was looking at this piecewise function right here, and I have to do these restrictions. And so here is one way to write it. See if I did that right. So I need your help in copying that. See if I can put it here. Anyway, so what was a of x? Guys, what's a of x? X minus nothing, minus 0, plus 40. Then I need to put this parentheses things, and that's from 0 to 2. 0 less than or equal to 2, less than or equal to 2. I forgot to put x. So that, when I zoom this out, should look right, if I did it right. There it is. See? And I was supposed to go all the way to, well, honestly, I forgot. All the way to 10. So my domain here is, if I try to copy this, the domain is from 0 to 10 and the range from 0 to 50. So I quickly go to my settings. And this is time. I believe in hours. I'm not sure. And that was from 0 or negative 10 to 10 hours. Maybe I just do negative 2. I don't need all that. And then my Y label is distance in miles, I would presume. I haven't read the text. And that was from, say, negative 10 to a total of 50. Was it 50? I don't remember. But I can take a look real quick. Yeah, 50. So there it is. That's my first leg of the trip. Make this bigger here so you can see. Let's put this over here so you can see. So what's b of x? And what color do we want that to be? Do we care?
Red.
Yes. Yeah, always. Negative 15. Open parentheses x minus 2 plus 40. That's 30, I mean. So that's this endpoint here. I'm just connecting the blue piece to the red piece. And it was blue and red, actually, it's supposed to be. Details. And this one's supposed to be red. Detail again. And this one is c of x. What does this equal? 5/4 x minus 3 plus 15. 5/4 c x minus 15 plus what? Not minus 15. Minus 3 plus 15. 3 hours later, you're 15 miles away from home. That's how you read this. Then in part D, you drove another, you didn't do anything. You stopped, you just kept going at 7. And that was the purple. But that's only true. And I got to restrict this at this point here, which is 15 to The restriction on the red was 2 to 3 hours, not doing that. And we have to do the restriction here, which we'll find by pressing the letters here. X greater than or less than equal to 7 has to be, was it 7? Really? Coincidentally the same? Yeah, coincidentally the same. Okay, I think I got everything. This one's not turned on. Okay. Wait a minute. I put the, he's at 15, right? This is wrong. This has to be 15. Right? This has to match where he left off. As before. So there's not coincidence, an error on my part. 15 or actually 17. 18. How much did it go up? 5? What's 15 plus 5? That's 20. And that's supposed to be purple. So this is supposed to be 20. Oh my goodness, purple. Who cares? I do. So picky. So this is 20 because he went up 5 plus 15 is 20. And 30 took away 15 is 15. And minus 10 from 40 is the 30. So 40 minus 30 is 10. So, and then just for looks, we can change this to purple to match our color coordination. And this one was black. This looks. So, there's the story. So that's how you replicate the travel model. And you can trace on this and ask me, these are the kind of questions to ask you. And 1 hour, where was he? How far away was he 1 hour? So I have to go to 1. And in 1, he was 35 miles away, 1 hour into the trip. 35 miles away from home. So okay. And we can save this for now. And we can read some of the questions. Okay, here's the old thing. And here's some practice you can do and to interpret that vocabulary. Thank you. See you next time.
So is Andrew. Alright, who else? Oh, never mind, because pilots are gonna be there. I have to go see.